up, everyone? Thank you very much for tuning in. So today's video is gonna be about another of our essential life skills series, and today's video is gonna be about the rule of 10. And this rule, I've used this in my life a lot, and I've learned this from someone who's very financially well off, and he has taught me this rule. This rule states that if you can buy the product that you're trying to purchase 10 times, then you have the ability to financially afford it. If you cannot, no problem. You can develop your financial situation to a point where you can afford it. So let's bring this to a real world example. So suppose basically you have, a sponge that you want to buy, and that sponge is there for $2. So using the rule of 10, if you multiply 2 by 10, you get 20. So if you can buy that same product 10 times or for $20, you have the ability to financially afford it, no problem. So the same example, you can actually use a higher ended product, such as, today Apple unveiled their Apple iWatch Series 4. So that watch costs $400. So if you use the rule of 10, you need to be able to financially be in a situation where you can buy that same thing for $4,000 and have no issue, since it's 400 times 10, 4,000. So that is the rule of 10, my friends. That's the rule which you can apply to every single purchase that you make, so that whenever you have any purchase, you can financially be wise enough to know whether that's the right purchase for you or not. Additionally, another part of this is actually thinking to yourself, do I have the need for this? Over 95% of our purchases are wants, and only 5% are actual needs. Like, for example, you don't need that new MacBook, right? Who doesn't want a MacBook? I want a MacBook, okay? But I don't really need it, right? I don't need that MacBook, so I'm gonna wait until I actually need it, and I'm at that level where I need it. Then I can go ahead and see it, and then apply the rule of 10 to see if I can actually financially, afford it. And this all goes together. The knowing and deciphering between the want and the need, to knowing actually if you can financially afford it. So ladies and gentlemen, that was the essential life skill that I actually think that everyone should have, which is finance and managing your finances. So just to repeat, basically use the rule of 10 in any purchase you make, and filter out if you actually want it or you actually need it. After filtering that product out, move on to the rule of 10 and apply the rule of 10 by actually taking the price of the product, multiplying it by 10, and seeing if you're in a financial situation where you are able to afford it right now. That's how you can make smart decisions financially, and you can get to a financial point where you are wise enough to judge and make your own calls when purchasing products and actually forming a decent budget. Thank you very much for watching this video, guys. I really hope you liked it, and I would really appreciate if you could just hit the like button, comment below what you feel about finances, and what sort of life skills you think that financing can actually teach. And as always, guys, just keep the comments coming, keep the love coming, and just hit the like button and subscribe, since I'm going to be putting a part 3 to this series. Just subscribe, and right next to it, hit the bell icon so you can be notified whenever I upload. Thank you so much once again, guys. It's raining, so I'm going to get back inside. Thank you so much, and have a good day. Take care.